Alrighty folks, I'm back. Busch Gardens, Howl-O-Scream. We got some creepies behind us already. Over there. Today we're going to be doing the, look at this creepy guy. Look at this creepy guy. Look at that guy.
I ain't got all night.
What? I couldn't hear you.
You couldn't hear me. Check your ears, sweetheart. I think something's wrong with it.
Anyway, we're gonna try to do the Pompeii haunted scare. We're gonna do. There's a new show playing now in the Globe Theater. It's whoa!
I got the coffee ready for you, and you too.
In the Globe Theater, there's a new show they're doing, and then we're going to do. Oh, there's some stuff in Italy. You can fill up your own beers. You can do like a beer refill with your own stuff. So let's go check it out. I was also going to tell you as we walk in. This is a Sunday, and we were thinking maybe it'll be not as crowded, but yeah, we're parked way down in the back 40. And it is packed out. Sunday, it's about 6:45. So we're going to be some filming as it's getting dark. But wow, look at the crowds. Crowds are ridiculous. This is packed out for a Sunday. Head in. Okay. All right, got the scares already going. Look at that. Look at the crowds, folks. It is full. Look at this. This is a line to get some beer. Alcohol line. Look at that. Which I don't blame them. I'll have to jump in one of those later, but we are packed out today. So let's head over to Italy. Check out that little self-serve beer stand and see what that's all about. Quiet assassin. Oh, here she comes. Don't look at her. Don't turn into stone. Don't turn into stone. Okay, we're safe, I think. Turn into stone for a second. She's gonna do it. Watch. Ooh, they're creepy over here. They are creepy in Italy. Well, these are just statues. Nothing's going to happen with these guys. Just a statue. Nothing. Oh! It moved.
He stared at me.
Look at all these scaries. Look at the trees are lit up. Pantheon over there. See, they're tricking us because you think these aren't real. Which they aren't. But then you got the real ones. You got the fog bank rolling. Alright. Okay, folks, so here's in Italy, here's what I was talking about. Stone cold spirits. Pour your perfect beer. And in here you got all your different drafts and things you can I guess you get your own. So you must get like a cup. You must get these are $22. You get a souvenir cup, and then basically you get a beer and then a refill. So basically you get 2 beers in there for $22. $11 a beer and a souvenir cup. Get a.
Wait.
I guess. I mean, we are at the park. So, I mean, you do get a refill. We might do it just for the heck of it. Just to do it. So, let's give it a shot. All right, folks. So, we'll put the cup in there. We just pull the handle down. And then it just tilts it. And it'll fill it up for us. And we are going with a shock top Belgian white. And there you go. It's probably like a, what, an 8-ounce cup, 10-ounce cup? Or maybe a 12-ounce cup.
Oh, it's about 8 ounces. Alright.
So we got that.
That's what we did.
And then we went with the blood syringe Howl-O-Scream. There you go. And it's basically a jello shot, is all it is. We're going with the blood syringe full of blood.
Oh, look at mine!
Jello shot of cherry in the syringe. Spooky. As we come in this little shop over here in Italy, here's some new merch. Look at this stuff. Cool Howl-O-Scream t-shirt. Some mugs. There you go, look at that. Howl-O-Scream mugs. Lots of spookiness, folks. Here's a cool one, look at that. And this is 65 bucks. For that, well, it is glow in the dark, so I don't know if it's worth that much, but well, that's kind of cool. Look at all that. All right, folks, we're coming over by the Carousel, and they got the building over here lit up going into Germany. Look at that.
Yeah, it does. I was like, what is this?
Isn't that something? All lit up with lots of cool stuff. Alright. They got this decked out today, or tonight I should say. We're gonna go, folks, Scary Tail Road. Oh, there's a creature right there. There he goes. We might get some jump scares in here, folks. Ooh, look at that big spider. I think we have a zombie up here, folks. Uh-oh. We have a zombie or something. Alright, folks, look at it's all lit up over here in New France. We've got a guillotine. I have a feeling there's going to be jumper scarers. Yep. I hear Chainsaw Man coming. There he is. There he is. There's another one. They're going to get us. Look at, they are chainsawing. Well, we got quite a few down here, folks. Easy, fella. Easy, fella. He's tricky. He's the tricky one. We got a clown
Wow,
one.
they're getting a lot closer.
This is even scarier, man. All right, folks. Time to get scared. They're gonna jump out at us. Here we go. It's getting leery. Getting leery. We're chilling. Chilling.
I remember you.
Yeah, he does. Dang it. Woo!
You're shaking.
Well, look at that cool fog with the cape. He's in the fog bank.
Oh, yeah.
All right, folks, we're over here in Ireland, where Jack is Back is going to be performing a little show. We got everybody lined up out here, getting ready for Jack is Back. So I think he's going to be right up there, approximately. So let's find out. folks, that's going to be it for today. We did the that little Jack is Back show. Showed you the beer, the little beer thing they're doing, which I don't know if it was worth it. I mean, 22 bucks for that, and the little syringe was like 11, so it was all right. I don't think I'd do it again though. We did. We were going to do the Inferno, but the line was so long it was ridiculous. So we came on the wrong day. It's packed out, but it's weeding out now. So hope you enjoyed the video. I know I'm probably overdoing Howl-O-Scream, but it is October. We'll probably be back one more time for just a walkthrough and see the jump scares and the people and the costumes and the excitement. Until next time. Woo!